Going guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I've just got myself some new exhausts, so let's get in box and get them fitted. So there's a few things I need to change on it because this is a donor engine. It's come off an Aspen electronic model with the big fairings and everything else. So as I found, I can't plug in my tacho, which gladly I've still got my old engine, and I've basically got to change this little part here, which on this one, this is all blocked off. So we'll change that. And then I've got my rear brake cylinder, which I've managed to get apart. I've just got to give it a clean up and hopefully get it back together and see if I can get these clutch plates released. Right, so there we go. As you can see, this has got flat end and this has got the tacho end, which regulates your rev monitor. Now before I stick that on, better just wire the cable through. Right, so now the rear master brake cylinder. So this was actually completely seized. My dad had to go over it, and then I managed to get the middle out. Got myself a new kit. So let's get it cleaned up and get it done. Right, so I've got the rear brake on now. There's a binding a bit, so I'm going to have to take it off again, squeeze it, and get that back sorted out and stuff. And then I've got 3 things I've got to do because the clutch plates are stuck. The first one is put into 3rd gear, rock it back and forwards, maybe hope that release it. If it doesn't release it, then next option will be put into 1st gear, tapping the rear brake, let it roll, and hopefully that will release it. If not, then the last option is I've got to take the engine apart again, get the clutch plates out and unstick them. So let's see what we can do. Well, looks like can't get it to unstuck itself, so I think it's going to have to be the 3rd option. And take the clutch plates out and do it that way. Means either I've got to take the engine out or I can do it from the back. So stay tuned for the next one.